Insocks go inside your finished shoes. They add some extra foam comfort and they also cover up screws if you've attached a heel. This one is shaped as an insole sock, but you can also do what's called a full insock, which goes completely the full same shape as your insole. So this is what a full insock looks like, and it's got foam on the back as well to create a nice full piece. If you find that you've made your shoe and it feels a little bit too big, make yourself a full insock using your last bottom pattern to get the shape and add a full layer of foam, and if it's still too big, try adding a second layer of foam. That will make the shoe a little bit tighter. I actually always love to show this example to people because it's just so cute and so creative. But one of our teachers, Leela, made these insole socks for these butterfly sandals, and if you hold the two together, you can see it actually makes a butterfly. You can get super creative with this. There are no rules here. As long as you're covering up your screws and adding in some foam if you want foam, then you can really make it whatever shape you want.